Said I'm living my best life. Said I'm living my best life. Made a couple M's with my best friends. Turned all my L's into lessons. You see the whip pulling up, it's like.
Hey there, Genie Beans. Whoop, whoop. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, make sure to smash the like button, comment down below, or share the video. And remember, subscribe because you know that you want to, not because you feel like you have to. I'm never going to chase you down to subscribe. It's totally up to you. Today, I have an unboxing. Yes, this is my second video for Glamour Jewelry Box. Shout out to them. Thank you so much for working with me. The Glamour Jewelry Box is a subscription company that sends you 3 quality pieces of jewelry. Honestly, it's really good. Like, I did one video already on it, and I'll leave the link down below. And so far, I've been happy with what I've been getting as far as my pieces, and it's always a surprise. You know what I'm saying? You know how these subscription boxes are kind of like Christmas. You're like, ooh, what's in the box? If you guys like what you see and you like the pieces, definitely check them out. I'll leave their link down below, and you can also use my coupon code to save 10% on your first box. I have been kind of backed up lately, so I actually have a treat for you guys. I have 2 boxes in one video. Yes, girl, what? Say what? What you say? The last video is from June. That's when I first signed up and was on board with the company, and I was like, you know what? Let me make a video for it. Although I could have posted on Instagram, which I did, I didn't leave it to Instagram. I put it on my YouTube too, because I want this to be like a reoccurring thing on my channel. So each month I want to tell you guys about what I got and actually unbox it with you guys, so you guys can get used to the pieces and actually be surprised with me and see what kind of pieces we got. So like I said, I have 2 months in one. I actually have July's jewelry, and I just received August box a few days ago. So August I haven't touched. June I did open because, as you all know, I went on a cruise and I wanted to see what pieces that I had that I could incorporate on the cruise. That's part of also the reason why July is late, because there was just so much going on in July for me. So we're gonna look at July's pieces first, which of course I loved. And we're gonna go over each one, and then we are going to unbox August together. So here we go. All their pieces come in this little dust bag, which is so cute. I find it very convenient now that I've been with them for a few months. Let me tell you something. When I packed for my cruise, I had jewelry in a Ziploc bag. I had so much accessories and stuff like that. But my Glamour Jewelry Box jewelry, you better believe it, it was in the little dust bag, and I can distinctively tell what was what. You know what I'm saying? I know what's in here. And every time I wear them and I take them off, I put it right back in the bag. I don't mix it with the rest of my accessories. And you might think, well, wow, like you literally treat this jewelry differently because of the packaging. You know what I'm saying? Like, you would think that, you know, this was like $10 million worth of jewelry. You know what I'm saying? Like, there's a sense of quality that's bestowed upon the jewelry when you get it. So automatically you're gonna think, oh no, this is my Glamour Jewelry Box jewelry. I don't want it to become like just like another accessory. So, and I really feel like psychologically with the dust bag, that kind of sets the tone. So yeah, I love the dust bag. So the first piece, again, it comes like wrapped up. The first piece is a bracelet. Okay, now at first I was like, oh, the bracelets look kind of small. I don't know if it will fit, you know, my wrist, because they do kind of look kind of small. I'll bring it up close so you guys can see the detail, but it's thick. It is expandable, but you really have to pull it if you want to expand it. Let me put it on. But then I put it on and I'm like, oh, okay. And it doesn't feel too tight. Like, I still have room on that. So that is the bracelet for July. Look at these. Hold on, let me hold them up. Oh, honey, I'm gonna have to put these on. Oh no, hold up, wait a minute. These are pretty. Look at the detail on that. So as you can see, the earrings match the bracelets. So this is definitely like a set thing that they do. And everything goes with each other, and you can mix and match all your jewelry if you want to. But each month, it's like 3 pieces that you can wear all together if you wanted to. And that's what I kind of like about it. So with earrings like this, I usually don't wear the backs to them because they have long, see, those are long, so I don't really need the backs. But yeah, those are July's earrings. Yes. And the last piece for July is a necklace. And you know what? One thing about them, their pieces make a statement, but they're not like over excessive. Like, you know, you have some accessories, like when you go into certain stores, it's just like over the top, huge, big. But with Glamour jewelry box, I'm not saying that they couldn't do something like that, but their pieces are more a little bit like everyday, like dainty, like it's not teeny bopperish, you know what I'm saying? But it is basically like a feather, a golden feather. I like that touch. So there you go. These are the 3 pieces. For July. I really wanted y'all to see that detail. Like, it has a crack in it and everything. Like, it's really pretty. I love it. And I'm gonna keep them on just because I'm not ready to take them off yet. But now we're gonna go on to August, how would you say that? August's box? August. August doesn't end with an S, so it's August's box. This month's box. The box is small enough to fit in a mailbox, a standard size mailbox, like one of those square ones where you open with the key like that. It fits inside of those. If you have a different type of mailbox, I don't know, they may leave it in front of your door, but it's not that big. And this is, oops, upside down. This is what it looks like in case you haven't seen it before. Let me take my scissors and get this baby open. Christmas in August. Just like on the first video, like I said, they're gonna give you a little welcome letter, or if you've been with the company for a while, a letter of saying like, here's this month. This one says, Glamour is shine and confidence. We hope you enjoyed this month's jewelry selection. Each piece was carefully curated to help you sparkle. So yeah, it's like the same card, but still, I mean, it's a nice little touch. Use hashtag Glamour Jewelry Box. So yeah, that's the card. And we have our pieces laying in there waiting for us. And of course, y'all know I like that little confetti, like, yes, bitch. I am going to open the month of August, and I'm gonna take off July's jewelry right now so that I can, you know, skirt, be ready for this. Here is the month of August. The first piece I'm going to pull. Let's see, what am I going to pick first? I feel something, and it's a ring. Look at that. I'm feeling like this ring is not going to fit me. It's going to have to be a pinky ring, because this ring definitely, and it barely fits my pinky, but that's what we're gonna have to make it, is a pinky ring. It is adjustable, and what it is, I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's like a cross and arrow type detail. It's cute, but I'm kind of, maybe it's meant for a pinky, I don't know. Okay, next. Oh, now these I like. Next are these earrings. Bitch, yes. Glamour jewelry box. Yes. Yes, girl. Girl, I am the type, I need sparkle. Like, if it's not sparkling, I don't want it. Like, and this is sparkle. Like, what, girl? Girl, what? So, I love it. Let me put the other one on. I'm so excited. Okay, you guys kind of got me back with that. I was a little disappointed with the ring, but you guys came back with these earrings. You sure did. She probably gonna pick the ring out first, and we gonna shock her, and then we gonna give her. We gonna make her feel like and then we just gonna boom with the earring. Girl, do you see that? Hello? Can anybody hear me? Hello? I can't hear you. I'm gonna wear these today. Fuck it. I'm shook right now. Can you guys tell that I'm shook? Like, I am shook right now. I'm so shook. Okay, and our last side, I'm so happy just with the earrings alone. Like, bitch, you could have had just the earrings by themselves, and I am shook. I don't know why you wouldn't want to keep this. Like, Glamour jewelry box. They did that. I'm still talking about these. They did that. Okay, and here's the last item. Of course, we all know it's most likely a necklace because it's long. So let's see what we got. Girl. What? What? Seriously? How do I even put this on? Seriously? Seriously? It doesn't even give it justice, y'all. Like, seriously? Like, come on. Like, come on. And see what I mean about the daintiness? Definitely the necklace and the earrings are the two stronger pieces, and the ring is just kind of an accent piece, kind of. But the ring can be kind of like an everyday thing. Like, it's a pinky ring for sure, because there's no way. This might be able to fit on your other fingers if you're petite or whatever, but for me, it's only my pinky. But you know what? It's better that I can get it on at least one finger than none. The necklace would be my second, and then the earrings are my first as far as. Oh my gosh. So which box do I like better? Honey, child? I don't even know. And you see how they did a gold last month and then they went to a silver. And my first month was mostly geared on like black. But then that pink topaz thing was kind of like different vibes too. So I don't know. You never know what you're going to get with Glamour Jewelry Box. And that's what I love about it. Oh, I really love this. I really like this. Make sure you use my code. It's Regina10 for 10% off your first box. Oh, like, I don't even know why you wouldn't even want to go with this. Like, this is really, 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 really dope. I love this. I can't wait for next month. Eee! I'm really shook though. I'm shook from these earrings. Y'all know I'm shook. That was my Glamour jewelry box unboxing with 2 months worth of jewelry. So that's 6 pieces. It's a jewelry box subscription. So you get it from month to month. Try it. Just try it. You never know. You really may like the pieces. And if you want to cancel your order, you can cancel it anytime. It's nothing that you have to really commit to. But I'm telling you, once you get your first box, you're going to be hooked. You're going to love it. Until next month, I will see you guys later. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share the video. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. I'm like Big Pop mixed with Tupac. I'm like Machiavelli.